In response to rising tensions with Pakistan after the tragic terror attack in Pahalgam, the Government of India has announced a nationwide civil defence mock drill. This exercise will take place on May 7 and aims to prepare citizens for potential emergencies. The Ministry of Home Affairs has directed 244 districts across the country to participate in this large-scale preparedness activity. But people need not worry, as this is not a sign of immediate war but a safety measure. The goal is to test how prepared civilians and local authorities are in the event of a crisis, such as a missile attack, air raid, or any war-like situation. This mock drill falls under the Civil Defence Rules of 1968 and is part of the ongoing efforts to improve national readiness. So what is a civil defence mock drill? Well, a civil defence mock drill is a rehearsal for emergencies. It helps people know what to do if something serious happens, like a bomb threat or airstrike. These drills reduce panic, avoid confusion, and save lives by teaching people how to act quickly and calmly. Notably, these kind of drills are not new. Countries around the world used them during the Cold War, especially to prepare for air raids or nuclear attacks. India last used similar blackout measures during the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War. So what will happen on May 7? Well, on May 7, the drill will run across 244 civil defence districts. It will involve local governments, police, civil defence wardens, home guards, NCC, NSS volunteers, NYKS members, and students. And here is what people will go through on May 7. Air raid sirens and blackout strategy. During the mock drill, a blackout strategy will be implemented involving lights off in all areas. Sirens will alert citizens to take shelter in bunkers. Civilian training. Students and civilians will also be trained on civil defence aspects to protect themselves in the event of a hostile attack. For this, education institutions, workplaces, and community centres will hold workshops and quick response training sessions. The workshops are expected to focus on activities such as duck and cover, finding the nearest shelter, protecting vital body parts, and providing first aid. Camouflage exercises. Important sites like army bases and power plants will be covered or hidden from aerial view to avoid detection. Evacuation drills. Authorities will practice moving people safely from danger zones to safer areas, helping identify any weak spots in the plan. Overall, this civil defence drill is about being ready and not being afraid. Now, while the current situation is serious, this is a precautionary step and not a cause for panic. Your cooperation, awareness, and calm participation are what will make this effort successful.